Hello guys, so in today's tutorial we will learn how to remove a background in Adobe Illustrator. So let's go to select a file, open the file here, we have a file here, strawberry. Okay, so we want to remove a white background. You can see here it has a white background, so let's remove the background. First of all, go to Window, Image Trace. This is preset is high fidelity photo. Okay, it's done. So now let's check. Go to the view, show transparency grade. Look, the image is still has a background, so we need to remove this background. We need to remove this background. Okay, so you can select, go to object and expand. Okay, expand it. Now click on direct selection tool and you select this and click on delete. See, there is no background. It's done. Okay, you can save, export the file and export it. Okay, done. This is the file. Thanks for watching. Stay connected.